What's up, fam? It's your boy Shaquille Samawood back here in the house with a nice video. Well, a lovely video for you guys explaining USDT breakdown. What is going to particularly or possibly happen with USDT? This is my perspective. Do note, I'm not a financial advisor. However, guys, I'm definitely just going to give you my perspective of where I might take a buy or sell on USDT today, if the opportunity arises, or the coming week, right? As you guys can see, let's just jump straight into it. Please, if you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe. And for the subscribers, yo, much love to you guys. Send blessings out. Thank you guys for supporting me. And comment down below if this video actually added value to your trading journey. And don't forget to like this video and also put on that bell, so your notification comes on, when Shaquille posts and you guys can get some value. Now let's jump straight into the fam. So firstly, first, I like to start on the higher time frame to understand what's happening on USDT for so far, for like what's been happening. It's just catch up on USDT. Now, what I've already saw or identified that look, USDT has been in this uptrend, right? It's been in this uptrend over here. That's the first thing I got. That USDT was in the uptrend. Now you can see one touch, second touch, and then the third touch is here. Now it's adding like what I'm already like seeing at the third touch is that we're getting volume. It's like its volume is like there's a lot of rejection here. Liquidity is being pushed out. A rejection at this support here, which shows me buyers. Now I did back then. I looked at this area as where I can possibly buy. So you can see that market has come into this area a couple of times. Break below, shot higher. Break below, come higher. Break below, come higher. Break below, can it go again higher? That's what I'm thinking. Maybe market can continue going higher at this point in time. Now going for the complete highs on USDT, because we got that nice third touch here. So maybe USDT can go high. However, we're going to break down and go to a lower time frame and understand it much more. Okay, so if I go to the 1 hour, right, and I'm going to start identifying more structure on this lower time frame. Okay, so what I do identify is that on the lower time frame, like on the 1 hour, you see that here's been some liquidity pushed, which on the 4 hour looks like wicks, right? You can still see wicks here. That shows you like a lot of rejection at this area, showing that orders has been here, limits have been buy orders been, um, people are looking to buy here. So this is like a buy zone, as you can see before market shot of came below but shot higher here, came in just to get some liquidity and shot higher. Back down here, shot higher, and this happened yesterday over here, right? So we came back below here, and now we're shooting higher from here. Now go over to the 30-minute, and now I'm going to actually identify some support resistance. Is there any levels here in this market that I can actually plot down? So first thing I saw is that this area, which guys can clearly see, I found this liquidity here, or you can call it zone. Now what I then did is I zoomed a little in and I found this area because you can clearly see that market's creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and now we shot higher. So we're waiting for that pullback below into the zone, into this area again. So it can come into this whole zone here, into back in this whole support and test. But however, I see it as in this because it's that way market took off from here and then market broke above this. So this way market just took off. So I take it as that's my area where market finds a nice zone. So what I'm expecting is that before I even giving you my particular buy, so really you guys are thinking buy, right? I do see that this is a nice area where market seems to be playing into, right? Market shut down here. If you can look at this, right, what I'm talking about is you see market came all the way down, you checked it and shot higher. Market stalled here for a while, break below, came back in that same area which I'm speaking about here. That's where a quite interesting point. What happened? The market gave impulsive, bearish impulsive leg, stops here, would give us a doji and then shoots down. So that doji area, liquidity, that's a nice zone to be interested at, right? However, if I look at above here, this is a nice interesting point because market breaks below, comes back up, stops here for a while, pauses and then drops. So how did it pause here? And if you look to the left hand side, here's quite some nice areas the market's been playing for some time here. So if you just follow my cross here, you can see there's a nice area here the market's been playing with. So I'll put that down, right? However, here on top, you can look at a nice resistance here. So this is my another zone where I'm looking at the way market been playing. Shoots in fall, shoots a little bit above, but then falls drastically down. So now I plotted that down as another area. What I will then do is I pull my Fibonacci out. So I'll put my Fibonacci from the low to the high. Where now exactly? I will show you guys how I pull my Fibonacci out from this low here, from this particular low to this higher and top. And about like that, you guys can see that this area kind of lines up nice with the 50. This area kind of lines up with the 60. And then here's the zone where Marcus been playing around, and then we have this area. Now, what I'm saying is that market might go into here, right? But I'm waiting for market to come back down. So these are targets that market can still hit. So basically, from here, we market to the 78, market can go up, hit these areas, and then go all the way high to this. This is my main target, all the way up here. So I'm looking to take a buy all the way up into 34746.1. Excuse me. And but I'm of course waiting. I'm not going to take a buy. I'm waiting for a pullback to buy lower, right? So I'm going to wait for a pullback. It might happen today, it might happen tomorrow, but I'm waiting for market to come back down to the zone to give me a high low. So market to come back down to give me a high low, something like that, right? However, what I then saw is that I saw is a little like uptrend trend line here, going move something like that, which is over here. You guys identify that. I hope you guys saw that part. So I saw this trend line as a uptrend trend line that we can put down here. So if market does decide to come lower, like meaning market coming all the way down to here, okay, give a trend line touch, and then from here taking it up higher from here all the way up. However, I'll watch out for this area. This will be my first targets, right? If market breaks that, then goes to this target, and then all the way up to this target over here. This is where I'm seeing market move. So basically, that's where I'm looking at US30 to go all the way up to. Yeah, so that's my breakdown, guys. I hope you understood. Do note that when it comes all the way down, market might even you're looking to have two directions. So if the market just breaks below this area like this, breaks below like this, and then of course wait for a retest here and then start. Well, remember that higher time, the 4 hour trend line, it needs to break that trend line completely to start saying that, you know what, we're going to start looking for sales. Currently I'm not looking for sales, I'm only looking for buys in this particular market. Guys, stay blessed. I hope this video added value to you guys. If it did, please comment down below. I would really appreciate it. I do look at the comments and see what videos to create, what videos can I create for the future. So if there's any videos that you think of or topics you want me to touch on, let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, guys. I really appreciate guys feedback. It's something I really look into. And don't forget to subscribe. Once again, I'm signing out here, guys. Shakil Samai. See you guys on the other side.